start this. Okay, you can use this paper to help your thinking. You can use drawings if you want to, or you can use just numbers to write the numbers down that I tell you. But to count things, you can use whatever you want, but these are here for you to use, so you have the manipulatives, okay? Are you ready for the first one? Okay, and if you need me to ask it in a different way, just tell me, okay? So, we have 26 students in our class. If we had 6 tables in there instead of 5, how many students could we put at each table so there's no one left out? I know. I didn't have time. She left the whole afternoon, so I was by myself. I'm just barely doing this. Yeah. Okay. So you got 26. Do you want me to say it again? So if we had 26 students in our class and there's 6 tables in there instead of 5, how many students could be at each table?
To fill up the entire tables or
just so there's nobody by themselves. So if you only have 2 people at a table, that's okay. Just so no one's by themselves.
Okay. I'm just writing down numbers so I remember those numbers.
Yeah, that's okay.
You could put 4 at each table.
Okay.
Or you could put 5 at each table, or 3.
So how do you know that?
I really just go more than 2, so then we have more people to talk to. And in our tables right now, we have at least 6 or more.
Okay.
But with 6 tables, you'd have to go down a couple. So that's how I know.
That's how you know. How else did you figure that out in your head?
I was thinking if we have 6 people at each table, we can have a couple uneven tables as long as because like we have 4 at tables, 2 at tables. So I was thinking just to add more than 2 at least.
Awesome. Great job. Okay, next question. If Max puts 5 paper clips together to make a chain, if he has 4 on each of the 5, then how many paper clips does he have all together? If he has 4 chains of 5 paper clips in each.
He can make...
How many total paper clips does he have?
20?
20? How did you figure that out, Jesslyn?
I times those 2.
You times them by each other, or you did, what's that called? Instead times?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. It's a big hard word, right? So another way you could do that is making the groups though too, right? If you had 4 groups of 5, that's just how multiplication is. So what was it again?
20.
20 paper clips, right? All together. Awesome, Jesslyn. Okay. Emma loves her pasta and can eat 100 pieces of pasta in 10 minutes. So how many pieces of pasta does she have to eat per minute? If she can eat 100 pieces of pasta in 10 minutes, how many?
10.
How did you figure that out?
10 times 10.
10 times 10 is what?
100.
So then what did you do to figure that out?
Well, you add the 2 zeros at the end automatically, and then you just do 1 times 1, which would automatically equal 1.
Good job. And that's how you figured that out. Did you use multiplication to solve that? Did you use division to solve that?
No.
No, because you don't know, you guys haven't done division, right? But that.
Well, we have a little.
A little bit, right? Okay, so, but that's how you could do that. You would go 100 divided by 10. Or it's like reverse multiplication. You said 10 times 10 equals 100, right? It's kind of like addition and subtraction, having to fill that like blank. Okay, last one. A chocolate chip cookie recipe calls for 15 chocolate chips per cookie. If I make 5 cookies, how many chocolate chips do I have to have all together?
Like 7 in each cookie.
So a chocolate chip cookie recipe calls for 15 chocolate chips per 1 cookie. So if I have 5 cookies with 15 15 chocolate chips in each of them.
Oh.
How
like
many
3.
cookies, or how many total chocolate chips do I have?
Use some math we're learning. And then 75.
Okay, can you walk me through how you did that, Jesslyn?
So I put that down, and then there's 10 and 15, and then I just put the 5 down, and then I did 5 times 1, and then just added the 0, and then 5 times 5 is 25, and then I added them together.
Perfect. That's amazing. So how did that thinking make more sense than the other problems did?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you think so?
Because I actually wrote it down and thought more about it.
Do you think it would help if you used these to actually like count the items out, or do you like doing it on paper pencil better?
I like doing it on paper and pencil
Instead of having the hands-on manipulatives? Okay.
Because you can like miscount when your dad's all weird and he likes going 45 when you're at 21. He always does that on me.
Does he?